Graph the image of the figure using the transformation given. So here we are given a figure and a transformation represented as a function. So the first thing that we will need to do is figure out exactly what this function is telling us. So we see that we have x minus 3. We need to figure out whether this is telling us to go up, down, left, or right. So let's look at our x-axis. As I move along this x-axis, what direction am I going? I'm going left and right, left and right. So when we look at this x minus 3, which way do we think we're going to be going, left or right? The answer is left. Going left is going towards the negative numbers, right? So that is minus 3. Going right is going towards the positive numbers. So that is plus 3, okay? So I'm just gonna write this note over to the side, left 3 units. That way I can remember what I'm supposed to be doing. So let's start with J, left 3 units. 1, 2, 3. And this is now J prime. 1, 2, 3. K prime. 1, 2, 3. L prime. 1, 2, 3. I prime. Don't forget to connect those points to actually create the figure. And there you go. Okay, here we have another function. So now we have y minus 2. As I go along the y-axis, I see that I'm moving up or down. So now we just have to figure out whether this minus 2 means up or down. Well, the same way we looked at the x-axis, going down is going towards the negative numbers. So that will be minus 2. Sorry, y'all, that's my dog. Hush, Jersey. Going up is going towards the positive numbers, so that will be plus 2. So I'm going to write a note over here to remind myself we're going down 2 units. Okay, so let's start with V, 1, 2, and that is now V prime. W, 1, 2, that is W prime. U, down 1, down 2. U prime, down 1, down 2. T prime. Okay, that was simple enough. All right, and our last example, we have x plus 3 and y plus 5. So we know that the x plus 3 is going to be dealing with left or right, okay? So the plus is going to tell us that we will be going right. So we're going to go 3 units right. And then the y plus 5 tells us we're going to go 5 units up. Okay? So let's start with our u. 3 units right. 1, 2, 3. 5 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is now u prime. V, 1, 2, 3 units right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up. V prime. 1, 2, 3 units right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units up. And that is now T prime. Ooh, my lines are just getting worse and worse.